Welcome to part 2 of the Romeo and Juliet Dance of the Night adaptation from the original choreography of Kenneth Macmillan. So the very last movement we did in part 1 was a step, turn, step, close, step, turn, step, close. So now we're going to do the next part of the choreography. So I want you to place your hands on your heart here as if you're holding a photograph, and I want you to turn to the side, looking over the right shoulder, slightly leaning back and noticing that you're going to take 3 steps to the side there, leaning back with long steps with the toe leading. So we've got right, left, right, and turn. And that's slow. Keeping the hand there, we then do it with the right foot again, right, left, right, and we come back to the beginning here. So let's just practice that again. I'm using my right foot here, and you will be using your right foot. So it will look like I'm using my left foot, but I am using my right foot, and that's what I want you to use. So we've got right, left, right, close, right, left, right, close. Okay. So from there, we're then going to walk forwards and we're going to do right, left very slowly with the hand still here on the heart. So a right and left. And then we're going to sweep down and up, looking at the photograph here in our hands, and down and up to the other side, very slowly, and close. Okay, so just that bit from the beginning. So I'm going to move this way a bit so I get all my steps in. So we turn to the side, right, left, right, and turn, right, left, right. You should be about the center here. And then 2 walks forward very slowly. Big sweep up and up, close, and 6 walks round to end up facing the left corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and facing the left corner there, 7, 8. You will notice that I've now changed my hands as I walked around and put the right arm on top of the left. Next little bit, the last little bit of this section, you're going to gesture outwards with the arm and you're going to follow with the head all the way round, back onto the, put the arm back and behind, left side, close and face the other corner. And we change our hands as we do that. So left, right, change, and then all the way around the head and back and face the front. And that is it for the moment. Okay, so should we take it from the beginning without the music? So it will look something like this. Okay, so we've got the hand and heart here. So we've got right, left, right, turn, look at the front, close. I'm a bit off center, so I'll come back here. Walking forward, step and step very slowly, and look, big bend there, and look, close, walk round, arms in third, look at the front as you walk round, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hands like this, gesture outwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, left, right, left, change the arms, gesture out, arm back, and face the front. The last bit there is right, left together. All right, and that completes part 3. And we're going to take this now with the music.